Hello and welcome to the XQCPA channel, where we share with you the latest and greatest tax tips and business news. Today, we have an important video for independent contractors and the business owners who hire them. If you have been hiring independent contractors for a few years now, you may have been aware of the recent change the IRS made to your 1099 filing situation. Previously, Form 1099 Miscellaneous was how you reported payments made to your independent contractors, but in 2020, Form 1099 NEC was introduced. The 1099 NEC is now where you report all non-employee compensation, essentially, all the actual payment to your independent contractors. As a business owner, in order to file a 1099 NEC properly, you must obtain W-9s from your contractors. The W-9 is where their taxpayer information will be listed, such as their name, address, entity structure, and their Social Security number or EIN, as well as a valid signature. Without a W-9, you cannot file a 1099 NEC, and without filing a 1099 NEC, you cannot deduct the money paid to your contractors as a business expense.
Hello everybody, my name is Charlene. I'm the partner of the firm. Occasionally, when it comes to time to file 1099 NEC, which is happening soon because it will be January 31st of 2024 before you even knew it, business owners suddenly cannot get hold of their independent contractors to fill out a W-9 form. As you can imagine, this scenario can turn into a nightmare because you know what it means to many business owners is that if you cannot issue 1099 to independent contractors, that became a question of whether you should even deduct these expenses or not. But do not panic if this happens to you because there are ways around this issue. Primarily, you can still file the 1099 NEC and replace the tax ID with refuse to provide as long as you have made at least 3 or more attempts to actually contact the contractor. However, going forward, if you are going to use the same contractors, you will need to remit 24% of backup withholding. You basically have to remit this payment to the EFTPS, and on yearly basis you file this form called 945. Now, if you receive proper information from the contractor after you file the 1099 NEC, you can then file a corrected version of the 1099 by including the contractor's tax ID. Now, we recommend this process so that your independent contractors fulfill their fair share of taxes rather than get away with refusing to have their income reported, which is a very major issue because it is considered or perceived as tax evasion. Now, in order to avoid this hassle of the scenario of not being able to secure their W-9, you should make it a common practice to require your contractors to fill out a W-9 for a record before they even start working for you. For independent contractors, you will receive a copy of completed 1099 NEC from your client. To report income from this 1099 NEC as an individual, you should fill out Schedule C on your 1040 personal tax return. Now be careful because if the amount reported on your 1099 NEC is much larger than what you actually get paid, then you run the risk of receiving an IRS letter.
But this is not the end of your tax filing procedure. As an independent contractor, you can claim business deductions in order to reduce your tax liability. You may be able to deduct supplies necessary for your business function, car expenses and miles as you travel to different clients, and even a home office. For specifics on what you may be able to deduct, please watch these videos we have prepared for you. When do 1099 NECs need to be filed? The deadline to file Form 1099 NEC is January 31st, 2024. So if you have not gotten W-9s from your independent contractors, reach out to them now. If you need the right guidance for filing 1099 NECs, look no further. At XQCPA, our mission is to help our clients on every step of their tax filing journey. Give us a call at 832-295-3353 or use our website xqcpahouston.com to make an appointment online. As always, we will appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make great content for you. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.